Hello all, welcome to our channel. So previous class we discussed about the domain, how we can register your domain name, what are the parameters we have to follow it, everything we discuss on my channel. So today we have to discuss about the hosting. So what is mean by hosting? First question. Hosting thing, but if I'm launching one website, if I'm launching the website, anything will be compulsory major important is called your content will be stored by the particular website. The content storing purpose, what are the information we have to store? The data will be saving file is called hosting will be here. The hosting will be called same like how it is working for laptop like Windows, like we can hard disk, RAM, like that. Same will be in your particular website. Hosting is the main parameters. The hosting will be total three types: Linux hosting, Windows, WordPress. Same like in a mobile, Android device, iOS device, Windows device. Windows will be not there, but there will be two will be main important. Which one? Android device and iOS. How it is working for your mobile device with the OS? Same like that. What are the website we are hosting? The content will be storage based on the OS. The main parameters are here, Linux and Windows hosting. In this Linux and Windows hosting, there is a multiple platform making a website. .NET website, Java website, PHP website, WordPress website, Bootstrap, Joomla. So many platforms are there. The platform will be making a website purpose. Now this website will be total PHP website. This PHP website, how you can build and how it is purchase your hosting that you can discuss will be here. First of all, you can search will be hosting, purchase, websites, India. So right now I'm India. I have to check with them will be here is the option. So they will be one of the best website will be HostGator, Hostinger, and number of websites are there. Always remember Linux, Windows. So there will be totally two platforms, Linux and Windows. Windows will be making a website will be WordPress and Joomla, Drupal. There is a multiple option purpose they will be using for this option will be here. So if you go to WordPress, this will be plug and play here that we can discuss in the class. Free and WordPress and paid WordPress both will be there. This will be free website. How making will be free website, and same like how to making a premium website, that all will be discussed into WordPress hosting. Hosting nothing but only one remember in your mind. Hosting call, the website contains stored information. What are the information we can store on website? When you open your raketechsolution.com, its own domain name purchase. This data will be everything stored by the option name is called hosting. That is called number of websites are there. Each website will be separate packages. So WordPress is separate package, Linux and Windows. So what is the difference between the Linux and Windows hosting? Linux nothing but the design will be PHP and Laravel, Java. We can go with WordPress, Bootstrap. The most of the things HTML website that we can hear is the option. But any kind of storage space will be here based on the price 20 GB space and a single domain, 5 email account, unlimited database. Single domain, unmetered SSD, hard disk, unmetered transfer, unlimited image, everything will be unlimited. So unlimited domain, everything will be unlimited will be here. But which hosting is better for the new beginners? In a hosting, how earning money from the hosting companies? So that is today I'll discuss. If you are go to the single domain, go with the single package. What are the India package will be here? You can go to single domain. Everything will be unmetered. So based on your file, they automatically file will be transferred. But you're looking for so much of space. We can go option name is called reseller. There's a two option name is called here. This is the web hosting. This is a reseller hosting. So what is the different will be both. So both are same package, Linux and Windows and Linux and Windows. What is different? If you are this hosting will be select Linux. If you is simple, anybody can search for Linux shared hosting. I'll give an example to image. Simple logic I'll show you. Yeah. Hard disk is one. Systems will be same. One PC, two PC, three PC, four PC, five PC. Everything connecting will be only for one CPU. Nothing but if you have one CPU will be hacked, remaining five website will be hacking at a time. Means database one, lock one, but website will be five. This is the very important one here. So compulsory shared hosting mainly drawback only one thing. All kind of website data will be stored only for one hard drive. If is one hard drive will be hacked, remaining all system will be hacking will be possible. So that is called shared hosting. Who will be purchase this one? This shared hosting will be purchased for single website holders. So I can handling with my database. Go with the multiple website. You have the two to the website. Go with the Linux hosting or Windows hosting. Windows will be ASP.NET, Java, PHP, any kinds will be support, but it will be different. But in a PHP, HTML, they can go with the WordPress. Linux shared hosting is the better option. For single website or one or two website is your own website. But I have to go with the option name is called reseller, nothing but reseller hosting. Each and every website we have to using will be separate entity. Separate entity, nothing but each day will be separately maintained. That will be most of the people will be using will be here. Each one will be separate login, separate password they will be considered. So here is that. So we can go with the, yeah, it's coming to this. So we can go to here. I'll show you picture purpose. I open this one. This will be, look into this. This image will be helping to the everyone. They're connecting number of systems. Each will be separate. CPU will be here. There will be very small CPU will be shown to this one. So they will be not opening. So this all kind of CPU, each laptop will be connecting will be different login and different passwords. So that is mean by shared hosting. See this, for example. So each one will be separate entity, separate login and password. That is called shared hosting. So if you want using for shared and reseller, shared will be number of CPU, one hard disk. Reseller, each website will be separate login and separate database will be stored. So that is called, if you are number of websites holders, go with the reseller hosting is better. There is a number of packages are here. What is the packages? 50 GB. Each website we have to given by the separate control panel. Each website will be given by the separate control panel. 100 GB, 150 GB, 250 GB, 5C panel, 5C panel, 5C panel. Nothing but we can host only for 5 websites. Each website will be controlled and created by the WHM panel, and each website will be controlled by the C panel option. I'll show you how we can this one. Any website will be control panel will be like this. I'll show you login with everything. I'll show in the next class. But how we can opening, I'll show you here. This control panel nothing but what are the controls on your website that all will be controlled by the in this particular website. So just you can log in your particular username and password and access your reseller hosting and particular using cPanel option. Each website separate cPanel nothing but that is a reseller hosting. Please make a note. Any website providing for separate cPanel that is called reseller hosting. All website in providing one cPanel that is called shared hosting. So this is the key point is very, very important, particular shared and reseller. So all of them discuss about the OS. OS will be two, Linux and Windows. Linux support will be PHP, WordPress, Drupal, number of platforms are here. And one more hosting is called WordPress. So why we can divide will be separate in WordPress. WordPress is called plug and play website. Already theme existly done. Just install one theme, the website will be create. I'll show example WordPress.org. Any website you have to create anything, just go to theme, click for install your domain, the website will be ready in just fraction of seconds. That you can discuss in the next class how we can making a website using WordPress free and premium. I'll show you onto the our class. So WordPress will be separate platform and include will be Linux also will be supporting WordPress. I'll go with the WordPress hosting in a future, any website we can purchase will be here. They will one website, two website, one website, unlimited. Previous they will support up to 3 or 5. Now will be give the package will be unlimited website also. So that is called, if anybody, I'm creating for WordPress website for number of website purpose, go with the WordPress website. But I have to choose WordPress and PHP both at parallelly. We can selecting will be Linux, or we can go with the Linux resell and shade host. This is a panel we can follow. Shade will be suitable for one or two website if you are own website. Why? Because login is one, access will be two website. But reseller, anything will be, we can show you will be different login, different entity, everything will be separately, and they will be show your particular package. That is called limited domain, limited space, everything unlimited. That is the packages. WHM no. Reseller, domain limited, host unlimited. Suppose your space will be unlimited. Domain will be limited, like 10 domains, 5 domains like this. Domain hosting limited, space limited. There is a number of packages. Suppose I can space will be also looking for limited. Go with the limited option. Are you looking for domain limited, hosting unlimited, different package. The package starting from per monthly, yearly, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you can purchase like this. But most of the thing website hosting will purchase monthly, 1 year and 3 years. This is a suitable. Domain will be yearly purchase, but hosting will be, you have to checking purpose, monthly also will be acceptable. So which is the best to purchase? Go with 1 year or 3 years, better price you can purchase, will continue with the 3 years package. That will give the discount here. In this purpose, most of the people, me also will be using option name is called, one of the website name is called milesweb.in. This website will be very clearly explain everything. We can just go through it. You will get the clear clarification, all hosting options. So Shade, WordPress, Cloud, Reseller, VPS, dedicate everything. Get Reseller. Reseller will be here. All I'm saying 50 cPanel, space will be here. Limited domain, limited space. Limited domain, limited space. Limited domain, limited space. Limited domain, limited space. So we can go with this call. Anything will be here. These all will be in a kind of platforms. So cloud will be completely different packages. This will be based on your hard disk. The space will be occupied will be here, like 4 GB RAM, 100 GB SSD. So based on the RAM and the bandwidth, they will be clear cut. They will be too much of price compared to the all kind of servers. The minimum will be 4,000 will be start the price. Here reseller will be here, WordPress. This all will be here. See this. So compulsory, if you want to go any kind of hostings, they will be follow the conditions will be here and increase the users on your particular host device. So hosting will be different packages, but most of the people using for shade and reseller. That is the package you selected will be here. There's a number of packages will be selected in this option. Everything will be here for the server future. secured mail, everything, the information will provide by the a particular option. So always remember, any website will showing secure nothing but that is called providing for free SSL certificate. That is compulsory mandatory field when you're purchasing hosting time. So look into this future and purchase your hosting and successfully make your website like this. In hosting any particular doubts, please follow my channel. I'll share the videos so you can clearly practice it and definitely will be clarify your doubts. Any doubts you can comment me. I definitely will be clarify your doubts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.